Morning everyone. Today we are here to take you for a joyful flight tour on Ahlcon Bird Sanctuary. Before entering the sanctuary, let's do our rhyme together. Parrots are green, sparrows are brown, pigeons are grey, and the fly around. Crows are so black can be. Peacock is a colorful bird, as you can see. Birds have feathers, tail and beak. Seeds and worms are a great tree. They flap their wings and they fly around higher and higher off the ground. With wings so wide, rainbow hues on every side. Chops and scarps, a lively song in the jungle where they belong. The feathers are so bright, peacock dances with delight, colors swirling round and round, in the garden joy is found. Cut by the water's edge, long beaks ready like the plate, schools the dive of fishing with feathers spread in its breast. Go in the marshy land, pink and tall, oh so grand, legs like stars, a graceful sight, wading through the water light. Hummingbird, a tiny sprite, wings aflutter, pure delight, sipping nectar in midair, nature's jewel beyond compare. Birds soaring kites and rays, green slab nature's deep notice, feathered dark and grey full bright, nature's purple side by side. Ostrich in the open land, run so fast on the warm sand. Feather fluffy, neck so long, nature's sprinter, wild and strong. Penguin waddles on the ice, black and white, oh so nice. Flippers flap in chilly weather, happy feet wiggling together. Wood peacock in the trees so high, taps and picks rhythmic guide. Feathers vibrant, head goes knock, nature's drummer on the block. With the feathers sleek and black, cars and hops along the track. Wild and clever in its play, nature's friend day by